Hello everyone, welcome back to my session. Now in this session we'll talk about how we can customize tab based on our requirement. So guys, if you remember in the last class I told you that in MS Excel when we are working on MS Excel we have different tabs like home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, automate. These are the tabs what you can see. Under the tab you can see groups. Like in home tab you can see the group called font, alignment, numbers, style, cells, editing, add-ins. These are the groups. Under the groups, you have ribbons. Like in font, you have a ribbon like bold, italic, underline, making borders, font color, font style. You can see that these are different ribbons which is there under each tab. Under each tab you have group and then you have lot of ribbons. So guys, when you are working on MS Excel, every time you might be searching for some different ribbon based on your requirement. So what you can do, you can even customize ribbons. So, giving you an example, let me create one tab of my name. My name is Amit Singh. So let me create one tab of my name, and since I'm working for a domain like financial risk operation, market risk operation, so I'll create these groups, and then under them I'll put lot of tabs. I'll put lot of not tabs. I'll put lot of ribbons which is suiting my requirement. Okay, so for that I need to go to file. Under file, I need to go to options. Under options, I need to go to customize ribbon. Here, I'll just click on new tab. Then just put your cursor on the new tab and rename that tab. So I just rename this tab as Amit Singh. Okay, I just rename this tab as Amit Singh. Okay, whatever name you can choose any name for that tab. And then under that, I just click on group, new group. I'll rename this as FRO. Okay, just ignore the name. Okay, and then I'll create another group. I'll just click here. I'll rename this as MRO. Okay, Market Risk Operation, Financial Risk Operation. Now, guys, you can see there's a tab called Amit Singh, but under that tab, you can't see the group. Why you can't see the group? For that, you need to add ribbons under them. So I just went back. Okay, customize ribbon. I went to Amit Singh. I click on FRO. Under FRO, maybe I need conditional formatting. I need font color. Okay, whatever the ribbons you need, you just add them, merge and center. Okay, then after under MRO, suppose I need ribbons like page spatial. Okay, I need maybe insert sheet column. Okay, maybe I need short ascending, whatever the ribbons you need, just add there. And if you press OK, now you can see there's a tab called Amit Singh under which you have the group called FRO and MRO. Under these groups, you have different ribbons suiting your particular work. So now working on Excel would become very easy for us. So I hope you have understood this session. Thank you, everyone.